In an effort trying to start the car, remember you guys, I tried to put in the O2 sensor, but it didn't fit because it was too close to the car, which is this section right here. I already plugged it. Went to Advance and tried to find a bung to weld in into that spot. They didn't have any. We ordered a nut that cost that much. Okay, $8.55. That works as a bung. But they sent me a whole bag of nuts. Anybody need nuts for O2s? Holla at me. Right where I have it marked, I'm going to drill out with a step bit. And once I have that done, get the nut on here best way I can, weld it up, clean it up, go home, and we can continue on with trying to get the 240. Well, not trying to, with starting the 240.
I mean, it could be done. How? Very easily. Depends on style axle.
Alright, as you can see, right choice made. O2 is in. Flanges are bolted up. And go back up top and tighten the turbo up. Oh, ow! What you doing? Coloring. Alright, downpipe is good. Wastegate is tightened up all the way. Dump tube is where it's supposed to be. O2 is plugged in. That's taken care of. Now off to fuel pressure regulator and fuel lines. The same battery. Grab the jump box.
This is making a sound. Ooh.
Oh, again.
Is it ground?
No.
Gee.
What was that?
Something rubbing on something.
Crank it again. Let me see something. Try it again.
didn't even turn it off. Last time I turned it off because of that sound, but this time it shut off by itself. Go ahead. Again? You want me to tap the gas a little bit?
No.
How much gas is in here?
It's almost full. Do it again. Okay.
It's rubbing.
I know what it is. Alright, we gotta get it to Bobby.
What's up?
You hear that sound?
Hissing? Yeah.
There's a turbo. Timing.
That has been our biggest enemy lately.
Yep.
Why would you do this to us?
Alright, so we're just gonna call power and
She cranked, boys. She cranked.
it was recording the whole time?
Yeah, when you said you were gonna pump it, hey, a little memorable moment, alright?
Damn.
But now we have it on record, word for word, what happened here, so we can show it to the Meister himself.
Yeah. Alright. It cranks. But it's a funny rubbing sound. When I move the distributor, it runs on its own, but whatever that sound is, we gotta get it figured out. So I'm gonna get Mr. Slide King himself to put his hands on it. There's too much money in here for me to keep playing with it. Turbo sounds nice though. That's where we're gonna stop. Making progress. Fuel lines are tightened up somewhat. For some reason, this one's still dripping a little bit. But other than that, she's almost ready. So get him here, figure out that noise, and we'll get it running smooth like it was before. Catch y'all next one.